This one, or this one, or a DJI Mini. Which drone is the best for you? Every drone I've used in the past few years has its specific strength and weaknesses. Today we are going to find the best drone that suits your needs. Especially I will have a look at 3 types of drone pilots. First, which is the best drone for you if you're a beginner or just want to start it as a hobby? Second, which is the best drone for you if you want to have great video quality for YouTube or Instagram? And third, the best drone if you want to shoot professional videos for clients. Let's start right away. As a beginner or hobby pilot, it's important for your drone to have the following specs. First, it must weigh less than 250 grams, because otherwise you'd need a big drone pilot license. Second, it must be easy to fly. The third feature you need is obstacle sensing. This helps to prevent crash, because the drone can detect obstacles like trees or walls and fly around them or brake. Then you also need a good video quality. Not the best, but you should be able to proudly show your videos to your friends and family. And the last feature is quick shot. These are some automatic flight maneuvers that your drone can do, and it's lots of fun. I can recommend 2 drones here, and by the way, you can find all of them in the description. First, the DJI Mini 3, starting from $469 US. It fulfills all the features that we just talked about, just not the obstacle sensing. But if you try to fly carefully, this drone is great for you. And the second drone I can recommend is the Pro version, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which starts at $759 US. It has obstacle sensing and also some more video features. But still, if you're on a budget, the DJI Mini 3 is great. By the way, don't forget your free drone starter guide that I've created for you, link in the description. You are a content creator, you want to post on social media, and you also want to do some smaller client projects. Which one is the best drone for you? The most important point for your drone now is that it has a larger sensor. This results in even better video quality, and you will get access to shooting modes like D-Log, which helps you a lot when color grading your videos. Additionally, a dual camera system on your drone would open up new possibilities for creating viral content, because with these new medium tele and tele cameras on drones, you can get really stunning perspectives. And that's also where this DJI Mini 3 comes in as the perfect solution. You can shoot in D-Log, you have obstacle sensing in all directions, and you also have 2 cameras. That's great. If you're looking to save some money, then the previous version of this one is interesting for you. This one right here, this is the DJI Air 2S. It starts from around $1,000 US, and I recently did a comparison video about these 2 drones, the Air 2S and the Air 3. So if you're struggling to make a final choice, then have a look at this video. And if you are a content creator, I'm sure that this video will help you out a lot. For those who find themselves torn between being a hobby pilot and a content creator, then the DJI Mini 3 Pro would still be a great choice for you, because it bridges the gap between hobby pilots and content creators. By now you can see that the DJI Mini series is perfect for beginners and the Air series is perfect for content creators. But if you look closely, you may have noticed that this drone right here changed, because now we are talking about DJI's Mavic series. Do you aspire to become a professional pilot and you want to stand out on social media, shoot for bigger clients? In this case, you need the absolute best in multiple camera system, in color depth, and in flight time. And there she is, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This is a beast. Its Micro Four Third CMOS Hasselblad camera delivers stunning image quality. You can even adjust the aperture of the camera to achieve a desired look and the perfect exposure. While priced at $2,200 US, it's a top-notch option. There also is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, but doesn't have dual camera system, and also is the normal DJI Mavic 3, but it has a tele camera, and this one here also has the medium tele camera, which makes it absolutely worth it. So you either go for the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, or what's still a great choice for professionals is the DJI Air 3 that we just talked about, because it also has a dual camera system, all the obstacle sensing along flight time, but actually you can shoot 5K 50 FPS on this one, and this one can only shoot 4K. But I tell you, you will see the difference if you look closely on YouTube videos, if it has been shot on the Mavic 3 Pro or the DJI Air 3. I crashed my first Mavic 3 Pro lately, but I have to say it proved to be very durable. Eventually I'm doing a video about this. Let me know in the comments if you want to see it, and make sure to subscribe. Now I'm curious, which drone are you planning to buy and fly? Let me know in the comments, and I'd love to see your first flights, so tag me on Instagram and on YouTube when uploading your next videos. See you soon and happy flying. Okay, let's do the thumbnail. Did you ever crash a drone without flying them? Maybe today is the day for me. No! Okay, we might have to do some Photoshop on this one.